And the kick is not successful.
ජීවිත කාලයටම අල්ලන් ඉන්න පුළුවන් කෙනාව තෝරගන්න.
Swiss Textile Adhesive අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා. Dialogue Schools Rugby League.
Isipatana College, the unbeaten in Group 1A versus the runners-up from Group 2A, Royal College.
Yes, they've retained Jehan Bandara after impressive performance against Thurston last week. He'll be
Satham Rajapaksha, Lashita Mapitagama, Kavin Tarusha, the tight-head mobile prop forward in the front row combination.
referee Shankar Abekon will be assisted by Robin Alexander and Praneeth Verangawal.
Isipatana attacking from left to right. This is the Dialogue Schools Rugby Super Round clash, and the kick is not finding straight into the basket of Royal. Changing direction, Zumri finding the space, and he puts the kick into touch. To have a look at a replay, here we go. Here's that pass by Kalindu Shenal. Zumri taking his time.
Soldier charge, so therefore you may go for a penalty with a yellow card.
The confirmation come from the TMO. There is a here's Isipatana marching forwards. Kalindu Shenal puts a huge thumping kick. That was really a tester, and certainly, I'll call it here Zumri with the first real opportunity, and this time that's a peach of a kick, and first points on the board for the home team. Oh, lovely step by Yahya. Yahya running through, and is that a high tackle? Yes, right in front of referee Weranga.
Yes, very well collected as well. And the question is,
Yeah, I see it as a shoulder charge, so number 3 yellow card penalty.
Oh, Kavin Tarusha. The kick, it was collected by Nimanta Sandeepa. Here's Abdullah Faiz. Abdullah Faizer. And that's a knock on. So
Half time.
that is enthralling. And that's the halftime score. Isipatana 3 points to nil.
Enjoy the infinite possibilities of the freedom of space, inspired by the beauty of our land. Sri Lanka's finest finished, largest sized porcelain tile collection. Majestica. Lanka Tiles. Fine living redefined.
Farooq, the fly half, puts a kick straight away into his opposite number, Zumri. It was collected by Royals number 14, Didula. And he runs all the way to no man's land, and he was isolated and could have well been turnover. Unfortunately, Didula, it's not a great decision making in terms of taking those points. No mistake. I'm not sure with the technique in terms of taking that kick. Good defense by Tineth Dodangoda.
Number
Yes,
14 offside, green.
Idris
Number
Farooq.
14.
Nabil Yahya with the first real kick to points in this game, and he makes no mistake. Excellent work.
Release.
He's isolated. Excellent work by Royal, and I'm not sure whether Abdullah Faizer what he was trying to do with that short distance. Into the 46th minute, pin drop silence, and here comes the cheer for the Green Machines. It was all pin drop silence at the Havelock Park. You cannot keep this man away. Here his brother Shakib Zumri, turnover, and that's the first Amana Bank try. Royal College tight head prop Tineth Gamage take a bow. Around clash for playing for Major Milroy Fernando Trophy. Here's that loose ball, certainly play on, and Tineth Gamage. Abdullah Faizer, the fullback, he puts the kick. Lovely fend by Royal. Here comes the pressure. Abdullah Faizer clearly under pressure. He needs support, and he was holding on to position, and Royal wins the penalty. Mohammad Farooq, and Royal into the lead for the first time of this game. And Dodangoda once again secured very well. Nisala, the skipper. Here comes Isipatana's line. Abdullah Faizer to Zumri. He's playing wide. Zumri with a good step. And Zumri is through for the Amana Bank try. And Zumri, the playmaker. It's all Zumri. 14 points to Zumri. And here's that replay. A lovely work. Abdullah Faizer passed that under pressure. He made a mockery early on, gifting away 3 points, but he make amends. Here Zumri, too easy for him if you leave 1-on-1. And this boy is simply outstanding. To add the 2 points, and that is true. Simak gives it to Idris. Tiven Pereira, the skipper, cuts inside. He needs support. Royal still playing with the advantage, but
Repeated offside and block tackle.
oh dear, another yellow card. Another yellow card. Royal still with position.
Again, advantage. Penalty
Yet another advantage. I think it was number 9, Kalindu. And here's the Amana Bank try. Excellent work by Royal.
Grounding.
Wow, you can see the jubilant face. I think it was not successful. Here's Idris with the conversion, and that is successful. Royal once again take the lead. Crazy and on their feet. Here's Kalindu. Gives it to Tarusha, and that's a knock-on advantage. Not what you wanted. That's not what you wanted. Is that the full time? Going for the TMO. Here is that replay. Kalindu with a pass to Avishka Hiran, playing as the first receiver. That's a knock-on. And for my naked eyes, Abdullah, I don't see a foul play. That was purely a rugby incident, quite accidental. But would be interesting what referee or the TMO Dinkapiri's call is going to be.
Can I have another angle, please? Ishanka.
Oh.
Whistle එක blow කරලා ඉවරයි. Number 20 Royal coming behind and pushing, warn him and penalty.
Can he be the hero, taking his time? And the kick is good! Shahid Zumri,
Time over.
the man who took this to Supatana College for that unbeaten tag. 19 points to 18. This is some exciting stuff. 2 tries to 1, 2 penalties to 4 penalties, 1 conversion each. Shahid Zumri, player of the match, scored 17 points out of 19 points.
එක පැත්තකින් වාගෙනදී තව පැත්තකින් මතුවෙනවා. මේ ටයිල් එක බෑ. දෙක තුනක් කැඩිලත් එක්ක. තමරි අක්කා.
ජීවිත කාලය පුරාම අල්ලන් ඉන්න නම් ටයිල් අල්ලන්න ඕන ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩිසිව්.
ස්විස් ටෙක් ටයිල් ඇඩිසිව් අල්ලන්න හොඳම කෙනා.